Hello and welcome to my second vlog of the year. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can keep updated with new videos getting posted every day or every week, depends how often I get them on, and hit the like button. Today I planned to do some outside work, but as you can see, good old Yorkshire weather, it's raining. So today I'm going to be doing some work inside. As it's an ideal time during the winter to do inside work and maintenance. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing today. Well, today's mission is going to be clearing inside my polytunnel. As you can see here on the polytunnel, it's absolutely chucking it down. I'm going to get all this cleared, all the tomatoes cleared down, all the pots emptied, and yeah, hopefully it will be looking better by the end of the day. This year I used water bags for my cucumbers and tomato plants. These were an absolute lifesaving. You can set the nozzles on them to drip how fast and how slow you want them to, and it saves so much time in watering. All I needed to do was fill up the bags and they'd last for about 3 days while keeping the plants quite damp. So I highly recommend you getting them. Definitely very good, and I'll definitely be using them again next year as they've all stayed intact. These garden canes, I've got to admit, are the best garden canes that I've ever purchased. They were quite expensive, but they have lasted me years. I've got to say I've had them about 7 years, and because they're coated, they withstand anything. Highly recommended. Well, I'm nearly there. It's all nearly cleared. Watch back for when it's all done. Well, it's finally the end of the day and I've completed a lot of my tidying up in the polytunnel. I'll let you take a look now and you'll be able to see the vast improvement of what it did look like this morning. Hopefully some of the ideas that I've given you with the water bags and the canes come in useful. If you've got any tips or advice, please feel free to comment and share them at the bottom, and I'll pick them up and reply to you. Well, thank you. This is what it looks like now. No tomato plants or cucumber plants left over. All cleared up, ready for when I plant my new ones, which will be probably in here in June time. As you can see, it's a lot more tidier. Still got bits left to do in here. Obviously clear out all the rubbish that I've collected. It needs a good wash down. Quite a bit of algae and dirt on it. I've just got a tear to repair. If you've got any advice on how to repair the tear, I tried tape but it just came unstuck. I don't really want to replace the whole skin. As you can tell, it's probably a mammoth task. I've left all the water holders up because there's no point taking them down to put them back up again in June. Yeah, so yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to comment. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get notified when I get new videos posted up, which will be at least once a week, maybe a couple more depending how much I'm down here. I will now post a video of the before and after picture. You'll be able to tell the difference. As you can see from the before and after picture, it's a lot more tidier. Still quite a lot of work to do, but I've got until May, June to do my tasks in here. But it's one job that I always hate doing, is tidying up in here after last year's season. I'm sure you'll agree. Have any of you others got polytunnels, and what do you grow in them? I grow cucumbers and tomato plants. I've never really tried anything different. I'm tempted to try melons and maybe aubergines this year. Yeah, so if you grow anything, let me know what you grow and how successful you've been. Yeah, thanks for watching this video and click the subscribe button.